people. It's your man, Fat Daddy. Let me start off as always by saying, Daddy loves you, no matter what. Well, family, Fat Daddy heard that the Chick-fil-A, Chick-fil-A, done brought it back. They brought back the honey, pepper, pimento Chick-fil-A sandwich. And family, Fat Daddy had to get him one. The honey, pepper, pimento cheese. Now y'all Fat Daddy can't mess with them jalapenos like I used to. But I got the sandwich sans the jalapenos. Family, let's get in here and get in on it and see what it's hitting for. Start off, we got to have the waffle fries. Family. That's them waffle fries. You can't miss with a Chick-fil-A waffle fry. Now, let's wash it down with a little bit of pineapple passion fruit. That pineapple passion fruit lemonade, that's something special there too. Lightly sweet. The tang of the lemon, the little zing or zest of the passion fruit. But let's hit on what we came here for. They done brought it back. All that pimento cheese, y'all see that there? That pimento cheese, that golden goodness. Delicious, delectable. Let's get in on it, family. Summertime. Y'all, it's got a little sweet under honey. It's got the tang of the pimento, the creamy cheese. All that on top of your Chick-fil-A sandwich. Family, it may be back for a limited time, but Fat Daddy finna stock up. Family, y'all always remember, Daddy knows best. And don't you ever forget, Daddy loves you, no matter what.